welcome back to a new video, guys. Today, we are doing some drifting. Dude, you guys, this is so freaking addicting. I tried going in kind of fast.
But it did good.
Bro, this thing has so much stock angle.
What the hell? Man came around and goes, wee! I think it was crazy.
Bro, now I know, bro, because I had an E46, you remember that?
Right.
Bro, that thing, I did everything and the thing just, it could not break loose. Let's try a rollback. Dude, hell yeah, bro. Dude, I'm having so much fun with this, bro. This shit is so much fun. I gotta go a little bit wider though. This thing kicks out so easy. close, boys. Good thing I got somewhat of an e-brake. Are you trying to leave because like they shut off the lights? Or go to a different location?
What other location? The only other one is right down the road.
Well, let's go to that one because I don't want to stay at this one for too long. What the f? Does anyone know him? Holy shit! Oh my God. Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, there's one behind me.
That's so fucking
I'll just
funny.
hold the bag.
You wanna hop in? Damn, bro, this thing is a grocery getter for real.
Dude,
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I like that. I like that.
Oh,
a
the
lot.
gauges?
Gauge setup.
Yeah, methanol on the 85.
Oh, you're on Snow Performance. What stage?
Yeah, 3.
Stage 3.
Yeah.
I got a 2.5 going into my E90.
I don't think I have enough tire to do a tip in though. You think?
Should I wear my seatbelt?
Like
I gotta do it for the people. Alright, tipping it is. Should we go right or left?
All right, family, we're going for a road trip.
We went left.
So we gotta go right.
So we,
this time.
shit,
Yeah,
right's not my
that's not gonna work.
I just go back to the left, and whenever you.
Well, the
tip
left
in,
tire is cooked.
It's cooked, yeah.
Oh.
The right tire isn't bad. We'll just do a little warm up. Everybody good?
Yes, sir.
Just cut it off and it's good.
Okay.
Alright,
It didn't break anything, so we're good.
that's all paint.
Yeah, you're big. Damn, I hope these aren't coughed.
No, they're not hard to try.
just don't want this thing to explode on us. Yeah. Did you want me to let more?
Let's do some more. Yeah, do more. Let's do some more. Please.
Bro, this is crazy. That's wild.
Yo, nice meeting you, brother.
Good meeting you. I'm Jax.
Nice meeting you, bro. Taylor, nice to meet you guys. Gentlemen, nice meeting you guys. He has my number. Text me. We'll figure this out.
Be safe.
Good meeting you. What is your name?
Yo, France.
Franz?
I'm France.
France?
France.
Franz.
France, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Your name? Angelo?
Drax.
Drax?
Yes.
Like Dracula.
Yeah.
I keep you safe.
You as well. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Bro, that's wild. Alright boys, well, I didn't record any of it, but I freaking got pulled over. I just got 2 tickets right now. Completely unrelated to what we were doing. I got an exhaust ticket and a speeding ticket. Bro, not even related to that. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.